How do I help my customer prevent condensation or frost from building up on the windows? Hello, I'm Kyle from Resideo. Today, I want to show you how to use the T10 Thermostat to set the window protection level with a Honeywell Home Humidifier. The T10 reads the indoor humidity level and allows you to select a humidification setting with or without window protection. Window protection, primarily used in regions with cold winters, is a setting that adjusts the indoor humidity level to prevent frost or condensation from forming on windows. Window protection requires the use of either an outdoor sensor or internet weather. The thermostat prevents the accumulation of frost or condensation on windows by adjusting the humidity setting to a lower relative humidity limit when outdoor temperatures are very cold. Enable the feature in the installer setup. Adjust window protection level in humidification under Options. Select Window Protection Level. The correct window protection setting varies depending on the quality of windows and the outdoor temperature. If you get condensation or frost with a low window protection setting, adjust this setting to a higher number. For additional information, please visit Resideo Academy. Thank you for watching.